Hi everyone, this is Michelle Johnson at the Club of Creighton Farms, and today we're going to be making a spring-inspired Mother's Day gift. And I'll show you what you need, and you just need a few things at home. And what you will need to do first is go online and find your favorite photo or design or a coloring page to have your children color to make your paper flowers with, which I'll show you how to do. I chose some roses, just a nice simple design for Mother's Day. And we're going to make with that these little cone-like rose shapes that will be attached to our creation. You also need a Sharpie, some scissors, some twine or your favorite string, some tape, and also a hot glue gun. And so what I did to create the perfect shape, I chose an M for mom. You can either do one letter, you can do all, you can do her name. If you're really ambitious, I'd love to see a mother sign out there. I just took this paper, I cut it out, and I traced it over my cardboard, which created a perfect shape for my M for the cardboard. And I'm turning it into this. So how to do that is take your paper that your children have already colored on, or a design that you like a lot, and take your Sharpie and you're gonna draw circles from the inside to the outside without connecting them. Almost looking like a shell from the beach. And you just want to cut this out, and depending on how big you make your circles or how small will dictate how large your flower cone will be. And when you cut yours, you're going to want to cut it so there's a little circle, so it's a little shell. Looks like a snail can crawl out of there any minute. And you can either have your design on the inside of your flower or the outside. I'm going to have mine on the outside just because I like the way it looks. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to take the inner part of my circle and just fold it in, and then just continuing to go around that circle, almost making like a cone shape. You want to keep the bottom part of your flower the smallest, just like this. And then you just take your tape and take a little piece and put it on the outside. And if you want to play with it a little bit more to make it a little bit more secure, you can do that. I like the way it comes up, and you can see multiple layers. And what you'll want to do is take your piece of cardboard that you've already cut out, and I've used some garland, so some of those fake flowers that we used all winter that we no longer need because spring is in the air and some real flowers are finally growing, is I've used them for some accent pieces. And I'm using my paper flowers that I've created and putting them in some areas that I think that would look really good with the fake flowers. And to do this, you want to use your hot glue gun, and you can place them in any area that you would like. It only takes a little bit of hot glue. And then that's it. So you can fill up the entire letter if you like. You can do, I did a little more of an artistic feel because I do plan to write in here and use this as a Mother's Day card almost. But if she also wants to hang it, use your twine or your favorite piece of string. And I just put a little dab of hot glue on the other side and attached it. And then I also just printed out or cut out a little piece of the printed paper that we did for the flowers to make it a little bit better. And you can hang it. It's incredibly light, so no more than just a thumbtack on the wall if that's appropriate. And I cannot wait to see your creations. So happy Mother's Day, and we can't wait to see you soon.